Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you, let's get to 1000 subscribers. So this is the Mizuno Wave Prophecy 10, probably the most expensive sneaker I ever bought. Not that dirty, but very dusty, because I've walked on some unpaved roads. And if you want to see a complete video of free sneaker cleaning tips, check out the one from the pinned comment. Also, I really hate these idiots who post videos with very specific titles down to the colorway and the dirt on the sneakers, but then the video is just a normal cleaning video for any other type of sneaker. So the way I'm going to clean these is the way you should clean 99% of all other sneakers. Anyway, I was having a dilemma, should I clean the outsole first, but then the water gets dirty, so I'll put that back on the upper, or should I clean the upper first, but then the dirt from the outsole would drip back onto the upper? I went with the cleaning the upper first. So what you need to clean any sneaker is a towel to put down on the surface, a bowl, something to measure the solution with, sneaker cleaner, brushes, shoe trees, and microfiber towels. I'm not going to use my drill brush for these. As you can see, the outsoles are kind of dirty, so I cannot put these like this in my display case. First, pick off any pebbles from the outsoles. And this is all the solution I need to do a complete clean. Uppers, sock liners, outsoles, insoles, and laces. Some of the water I've used was hot, but by the time I've started, it was okay. And again, the cleaning steps are the same for all sneakers. Remove the laces and insoles, brush the sneakers first and tap them together, insert the shoe trees and start scrubbing. I've customized these a bit. There's some painted stripes at the heel, so we'll see if those wipe off. Spoiler alert, there was no damage. I've actually started a timer so I can do at least 5 to 7 minutes of scrubbing. As you'll see later on, the upper is made out of a layered mesh, so I had to make sure the liquid goes well inside. There's a bit of ASMR later on, but not a lot. Of course, it was raining when I cleaned these. Also, I'm starting to really hate ASMR videos. Okay, so basically I'm going to do the exact same steps with the other sneaker. By the way, I was more focused on cleaning the sneakers than keeping them in the frame, because I really cleaned these not just for the purpose of the video. That's why I've also scrubbed the uppers well and midsoles again with a medium brush, and I wanted to go over the midsole, outsole thoroughly because there's a lot of holes and crevices. I've also went over the sock liner even though it wasn't that dirty, and I've went over the outsole again, and finally gave the insoles and laces a good scrubbing. At the end, I did my thing of pouring the leftover cleaner mix inside the sneakers, as it wasn't that dirty, so it foams up from the inside when I rinse them. So check them out, perfectly clean. As you can see, my custom paint job on the back is still there. This dried for about 2 days. I've sprayed them with odorizer on the inside and water repellent on the outside. And I can literally feel that rubber gripping. And let me tell you, cleaning these made me like them even more. I had a chance to check out the design in depth, and this is what I love about my sneaker collection. I don't follow any trends or hype, and I only buy sneakers I like. Let me know if you have any questions. Check out the free cleaning tips video in the description, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.